Alright, welcome to Redneck Lawnmower. Our redneck here, right now, is, unhooking the muffler to his redneck lawnmower. So, we'll see how this does.
How does this go, you dumb shit? I know!
Tell me when I don't have a good view.
You have a good view. Great view.
I'm a pretty good camera person.
Are you ready? Let's get ready to rumble!
Oh, we seem to have some trouble. Maybe we need some gas, redneck.
You gotta jerk the chain.
Okay, maybe we just need some gas, redneck.
Yeah, you gotta put the, don't have a good view, you gotta, there you go, there you go. Down a bit. There you go.
Oh, redneck, are you sure we don't need gas? And our redneck is finally smart enough to put some gas in there.
There you go, there you go. Leave it there. Don't move it.
Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the main event of the evening? Let's get pulling! Video, camera down.
Down. You seem to be having a dud.
Just keep pulling!
I'm gonna stop filming right now, until you actually start. And this is the result! Camera down! I think our redneck is just doing something here, right?
Hey, down. Down. Good.
Click, you can go. We're losing them. Oh, there we go.
And there it is, acting like a clown.
Our redneck is ready.
Here is your main event.
Okay, our redneck can stop the lawnmower. He's gonna start it up again, I think.
Down. Down.
Oh, it is switched on now.